go outside? Rocky, go outside? Rocky, want to go outside?
Maybe he does want to go out now.
Come on.
You don't have a collar now.
Leash. He's fine. I can control him. Go pee. Rocky. Go pee. Rocky, come. Rocky, want treat? Rocky, treat. Rocky, treat.
The door isn't closed.
Yes, it is.
Oh, look.
Close the door.
Surprise.
Did he say or no?
Yeah.
You have an age?
Come
The male will sneak up on the female, and she'll fed, and you'll see the body keep on eating, and then when they're done, she'll eat them. She'll eat the rest of them. Grandma, we have company.
You want it? You want it?
You want to eat? Help yourself.
Good boy.